Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special video with you.
Who all over there? Rudolph. Oh, red nose ass. You tell Santa Claus it's Easter. He know it be rolling around Easter. He know it always roll. He be. I tell him I got something going. Yeah. Beautiful.
As I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted, we have a special guest today.
What's
we
up,
have
y'all?
the Hood Bunny here with us.
Big Bunny.
I'm sorry, Big Bunny.
Big Bunny.
Big Bunny.
The Easter Bunny. Y'all know me. They know me.
Oh, y'all know him.
I've been dropping eggs out. I've been dropping eggs for a long time, man. Y'all know. All kind of colors.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, she worked for me too. We got her on payroll, you know what I'm saying? That's why she got my colors on, you know what I'm talking about?
Go back to work.
Yeah, get back to work, Tokyo.
Go to work, Tokyo.
Yeah, that was Santa Claus and them tripping. He was trying to test my gangster. But it's Easter. It's Easter though. I'm gonna catch him on Christmas Eve when I got time. I'm gonna have time today, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh, okay. So today, as you can see, we are doing a Easter review, kinda, you know? We gonna have the Easter Bunny.
Big Bunny.
Big Bunny.
I don't know why they like to play with you. Like, people need to put some respect on your name.
We are gonna be trying some of these Peeps. Now, as you can tell, we have, I know you can't tell, but we have different flavors. We have Peeps, hot tamales, sour watermelon.
We got all the new drills.
Fruit punch, blue raspberry, chocolate pudding, and we have birthday cake. And also, we're gonna show you something that you can do with the Peeps for the adults. You know, like your kids out here eating the little Easter candy, you know, getting the eggs and stuff, where you can make a drink with some of the Peeps.
Yeah, this something that I give to all the little cottontails around the way. You know what I'm saying? It make them feel real naughty.
Right, because the drink is called the Naughty Peep.
It's a Naughty Peep, and the ingredients are 1 ounce marshmallow vodka. We didn't find the marshmallow vodka, so we got the Smirnoff whipped cream vodka. That should be a similar, you know, flavor. 1 ounce blue Curaçao liqueur. We got that. She want a drink too. A half of a lemon or fresh lemon juice, sugar, 4 ounces Sprite, simple syrup with ain't that like sugar and water? We might leave that out. That's just, yeah. And a blue Peep for garnish. So we got a blue one, just the blue one.
Yeah, blue raspberry.
So I'm gonna make us two.
I'm gonna spread the candy out.
Yeah, spread that candy out. It's Easter! This on the hood button for Big Bunny. I got a drink. Ooh, let me get myself together. Yeah, at first I'm gonna make hers. You know, all the little cocktails, you know, they love this. I'm gonna get a little ice. Hers gonna get a glass ready. A little sugar. Lemon. I wanna make it taste good, but get the job done, you know. Some of that. Okay. Then what else? Then some of this. One of this, some of this. You know? Yeah. Okay. And the lemon. That's the lemon. I gotta open it. Yeah. Get that out there too. Look. Okay. Little lemon. And then how much? I want to go ahead and mess it up. You don't get that out there. Yeah, you could be reading why they don't like Peeps on this. So I make the drink. I think I need some more ice. I'm gonna put a little more ice in there. So it says, whether it was Peeps or flavor, so I do like number 5. It says there's no flavor, so then we got all these flavored Peeps. How can you tell, right, if there's no flavor?
All other Easter candies. So it says, why waste your sugar intake and calories on these subpar sweets when you can have, you know, what is it called? The Calaberry cream egg, the caramel egg, Reese's egg. So they're just saying that you can get other candy that's a lot better than these.
Look at that. Ooh.
They look good. And then it says you can't roast them over campfire. So if you want to use these and make some s'mores, you can't use them. That's not true because I seen someone on Pinterest that did. They made s'mores. They just put them. They just put them in the They put them in the oven. So I want to try that too. But it would have been better if these were blue bunnies. But hey, we got to do what we got. We had the blue eggs. And it says we can never. Number 8 is they say we can never escape Peeps.
Sit there. Do what I tell you to do. Yeah, check him out.
Or maybe you could just sit them on top.
Yeah. The Naughty Peep, you know what I'm saying? Big bunny in the building. Get you one, make you one.
Yeah,
you
so
gonna try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
You gonna try it?
Number 9 is their better off lip and decoration. So they actually do, there's a lot of decor, decoration, inspiration on Pinterest that you can use with using these Peeps. So that's actually true for number 9. Hey, why you fill me up?
Because yours was really for the looks. Yours was the pretty.
Oh.
Okay, we gotta choose and try it.
So are we gonna try this Peep or we gonna try the Peep out of there?
We gonna try the drink first.
I'm hungry, y'all, so hopefully
Santa Claus gonna pull up with them candy canes. You know what I'm saying? Candy canes only got one flavor. Last time I checked, no, they got
different flavors.
Nobody eat them though.
Excuse me.
You can eat Peeps all year round. Let's see. It smells like a Peep. It's low-key fire. Yeah, that's good. It tastes like a snow cone.
I got too much sugar garnish. It do. The whipped cream tastes good.
It's, hey, get you that, I gotta get my proportions a little better, but that's good. It makes you want to keep going.
I know.
You gonna eat it? Oh, you really getting into the Easter spirit. A little cottontail. You ate the Peep with it? Let me try my one with it.
Dip the Peep.
Dip the Peep in the drink? I'm gonna dip the Peep in the drink.
Fire.
We nasty. It is.
Right.
It's good.
Right.
It shouldn't be.
You should have.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. You should
put that Peep in there with it.
You should have.
And blended it.
Right. That's good.
We're gonna soup it up. I ate the whole Peep. So we tried the blue Peep first. The blue one is good. That blueberry and that marshmallow kind of do a little dance.
I don't know what they talking about.
She is enjoying this. We started the video.
It do make
It's the whipped cream. The marshmallow whipped cream vodka. It makes you want to keep going. It's not too sweet. The Sprite and the lemon cut it. And the Curaçao,
I didn't even talk. What I was gonna say was, this stuff might taste extra good because I am kind of hungry too.
We might be hungry.
Yeah.
Because I ate a Snickers, it tastes like a cheeseburger.
Right.
Okay, what we gonna try next?
Okay. You wanna do birthday cake?
Okay, birthday cake.
So far, the blue.
The blue one is fire.
Yeah.
Blue raspberry peach. What pie color go with the drink?
Look at these little things.
They look scary.
These.
I don't like how they look.
They do look scary.
Damn.
All of these, we didn't get no bunnies or nothing. Oh, we did get bunnies. The bunnies are a little bit cuter. I want to say so. I want my kids to try it.
We gonna spit one?
Oh, we gonna split? Grab it.
But I don't want to hold one of here of these.
Excuse me.
They look scary. I don't want his face.
Here. All right.
Oh. Shout out to this boy. I'm glad we got a big boy.
Okay, you're right.
It's not bad. That one is not good.
You know what I'm saying? Like a birthday cake. It's okay. We don't dip. This one actually just tastes like a marshmallow with some.
That tastes like a regular marshmallow.
But what's it called with the sprinkles in it? That what it tastes
like birthday cake seasoning.
No, I don't even taste like birthday cake seasoning. It don't even have a flavor. Yuck.
I don't like that one. Throw them down on the birthday cake.
It's definitely sweet and nasty. You want to try this one?
Who is that?
This is chocolate pudding. Now
that's going to be good.
Yeah, this will probably be good on the s'more.
I'll wipe my hand.
I feel like I got sugar all on my face.
You a little sugary.
All the bunnies are so cute.
Yeah, you know how bunnies do. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, a little chocolate bunny.
Make them go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Chocolate bunny. Yeah, now that's
You gonna get one by yourself?
I'm gonna get a whole. This mild chocolate.
It's nasty.
It's nasty.
I don't like it. I'm gonna put it out.
You gotta taste like hot cocoa.
Ain't good.
It tastes like hot cocoa. It's not good.
At all. Yeah. This might be the worst candy.
Is Peeps trash?
The only one that was good was the blue one, and I don't know if that's because it was with the liquor.
Yeah, that one is chalky.
Yeah, and it got too much sugar on it.
Red, that's super
red. They smell good.
That's super red. I don't want to hold one of them. It's sticky.
This one tastes good. It tastes fruit punchy.
Kool-Aid.
Yeah. Just like
that's kind of good. That's good.
Yeah.
The fruity
like
flavors
yeah.
are okay. It's still nasty. It get choppy at the end.
It's okay. Hold on. So if you like marshmallows, it's not the same.
You just not gonna be sitting up and eating marshmallows like that.
I like marshmallows.
Is this not a marshmallow? This is a lab created marshmallow.
This is a nasty marshmallow. You gotta be brave.
Oh, I'm gonna regret that.
Ooh. Yeah, we gotta split. We can't eat a whole. We gotta split these mugs. And this is a sour one. So let's hope this.
It's sweet.
As hell. My kids is not probably not.
That fruit punch one, he's over sweet.
This is sour watermelon. You want a whole one?
Oh,
it's so
pinky
pretty
on the inside.
Y'all get the head. Y'all get the head.
Y'all get the head. That's what she said. Oh! This one.
It kind of tastes like watermelon. I want to put it out.
This ain't like a salty ass now later.
Nasty.
That one is T-rash.
You hate it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nasty, y'all.
That was... This is the worst one so far. Peeps just out here to make people waste their money.
You know what?
The Easter Bunny. Big Bunny don't even approve.
Y'all, it's better left. It's better
Your
left.
kids not gonna...
Baby.
Tokyo not gonna eat that.
Eat it.
No.
This is better left than Generations.
What if your dog ate a peep? What would happen?
I don't know. I don't want to find out. Look at her.
She kept going. I know, it's nasty.
Oh, poo-poo.
She walked away
She walked away.
A dog won't even eat it.
It's not good. Okay, this is
my stomach hurt a little bit.
This is the...
My ears.
This is the... This is the hot tamale.
I'm not eating that.
You're eating this one.
This where I draw the line.
No,
this where Big Bunny draws the line.
Let me tell Big Bunny something.
I'm gonna smell it. That's trash.
Baby, eat it.
That's trash. That's trash. You like it.
I don't.
You do. Why you chewing so good and hard savory? hate cinnamon candy. She know that. I can't eat it. I can't even do it. I'm gonna lay it back. Put me somewhere to lay that.
Babe, you didn't even eat it good.
I don't want to look at our little boy.
It's nasty.
Get him.
Whoo. Y'all.
Hold up. And look how red they are. You want another nap? Yeah, because they nasty.
Oh my God. So Chris,
the drink is fire.
I'm sorry, I forget who here.
Big Bunny.
Big Bunny was like, "Ooh, you probably can mix the other flavors with the drink." No. Each time I have taken a drink after I ate a different flavor, it gets nastier and nastier and nastier and nastier. It always tastes good with the blue raspberry. That cinnamon and this drink together was horrible. This is with the nasty watermelon.
This is the worst. I couldn't even bite. I need to let my teeth close down on that one.
They are tied.
It don't smell. It smell like soft. It's like a soft. What's them thing? Red hot. A soft hot tamale.
Hot tamales are good.
You might like.
I don't like that one. I ate it. So you want me to try? You want me to go back for another?
The blue one is the best.
The blue one is the best one.
Hands down.
And it tastes even better with the drink.
And the blue. I mean, what's that?
Everything else.
Blue raspberry and the marshmallow. Sings. Yeah, it's not.
Everything else is nasty.
The birth cake. Try again. Hot tamale. Try again.
Trash.
Chocolate.
Trash.
This tastes like chocolate.
Y'all, this is the worst Easter candy, for real. Like this, all of them were nasty except for the blue raspberry.
This one tastes like
boo-boo.
Chocolate.
Chocolate boo-boo.
Chocolate chalk.
Chocolate sugar boo-boo.
Chocolate chalk.
It's nasty.
They look clean though.
No, they don't. The bunnies are cute, but these look like these look scary. Look at that nose.
I'm almost afraid to eat something that red. Now these look scary. The white ones with the black.
With the brown. That brown, baby.
Oh, I got the glass on. Yeah, that's even worse. Look at that. But the drink, make the drink for sure. The drink is fire. I would even use the whipped cream vodka because the whipped cream kind of tastes a little better than maybe the marshmallow does. I don't know. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna make it with the marshmallow.
That whipped cream vodka tastes really good.
That goes good in like coffee. I had made a drink with like coffee, and I made another drink with like root beer, and it tasted like a root beer float. That's real good. Big Bunny.
Well, anyways, I want to thank our special guest, Big Bunny, for stopping through. And I hope you guys like this little Easter edition that we add for you guys. Seasonal thing, you know what I'm saying? Next year, we'll come back with some more new hot flavors. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment,